Hey, what's up guys? I just here to record a video of Meep Simulator. So this is the game how you technically have a pet. It's a Meep. So then you have to buy you can play games. You get like a Meep money, and you can get it while playing the game, like by itself, automatic. So you can buy houses and stuff. You can go to other people's parties and stuff as well. I just went to somebody's house. It actually seems pretty nice in here. Very nice. And after that, you can get costumes for your pet as well. So dress up. You can dress up my Meep. Wait, so we said hi? Wait. Hi. Wait, I'm just gonna say I'm homeless. Wait. Let's see what she does. This is a social experiment. I'm poor. But you. No. Go to playground. Then go to house improvements. Then go to house improvements. Wait, where did she go? She disappeared. Go to playground. Wait, did she actually go? Actually, I got a good idea. I'm gonna go to Roblox. I'm gonna see if I still have to I'm gonna be a what's it called? Bacon here, yeah. So here. Wait, body. Hat. Wait, what's in the? Okay. Okay. Oh, let's get rid of all. I'm gonna get rid of all my stuff. Why is my pants still here? Pants. I get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now it's face. No. I need face. Don't I have a smiley face? Okay, I'm gonna get a sad face. Catalog. I'm gonna see if it's free because I don't have V-Bucks. No, Robux. Sad face. Why is there no sad face? That's free. Actually, I'm not doing the social experiment. It's a waste of time. Okay, let's go back to Habitat and put my stuff back on. What else do I need? Black lightning. Okay. I need arms. So let's check out what arms. Yeah, this one. I think I'm back normal. I'm actually not sure. Yep, I'm back normal. Okay. So yeah. So we're gonna get. I don't really know what to. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to Let's just reset our character first. Furniture. Estate. Now we wanna go to Oh yeah, green screen. Oh, my mouse go be. Oh. Okay, let's keep doing this. Now let's go to entertainment. Where'd it go? Oh, see, yeah. 50. Purchase. Let's get some of this. Let's get one more. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. Sorry. Gosh, my thing fell down. My mic. So we're just gonna decorate our house. I'm gonna end this video in a couple minutes. So yeah. Alright, this is where we need to change our stuff. Let's go to our gaming room. I'll be right back one more time, guys. I'm sorry. So guys, I'm back. Okay. So this is my gaming room. Let's go put up balloons. Like, wait, where did it go? Okay, turn to balloons. So let's put some here. Okay. Let's put one right there. Wait, not there. Right there. And another one right and another one right here. So this might be good. Yeah. So this is my party room right now. Kitchen, gaming, theater, awful theater. Let's see, my bedroom and my bathroom. Actually, I'm gonna go to the toilet. I might need to censor this out. What? Why is he peeing? What? Why am I pooping with my pants on? Okay. Wait, what happens if I... Oh, this is just weird. I'm a vampire. Oh, God. It's weird. So that's what I was saying. I got one of the oh my god, trophies from one of the games, not trophy. So when you click, so if you can see on the top how like this is a house logo, smiley face logo, smiley face, 2 people here, 1 person, and the face right here. You wanna click on the one that's